Welcome to Quiz Guild. Today we are discuss about some UPSC MCQ questions. Which layer of Earth shows the highest seismic wave velocity? Option A asthenosphere, option B inner core, option C mantle core boundary, option D lower crust. Right answer option B inner core. The concept of judicial review in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from option A USA, option B UK, option C Canada, option D Australia. Right answer option A USA. Which river forms an inland delta in India? Option A Luni, option B Koshi, option C Mahanadi, option D Godavari. Right answer option B Koshi. Island of stability is a term related to option A nuclear fusion, option B super heavy elements, option C radioactive waste, option D oceanic hotspots. Right answer option B super heavy elements. Who was the first to use the term geopolitics? Option A Frederick Ratzel, option B Halford Mackinder, option C Karl Haushofer, option D Alfred Mahan. Right answer option A Frederick Ratzel. Which species acts as a climate regulator in tropical rainforests? Option A fungi, option B termites, option C epiphytes, option D large herbivores. Right answer option B termites. Parliamentary privilege can be enforced through option A Supreme Court only, option B High Court only, option C both Supreme Court and High Court, option D no court can enforce it. Right answer option C both Supreme Court and High Court. Which gas contributes most to natural greenhouse effect? Option A carbon dioxide, option B methane, option C water vapor, option D nitrous oxide. Right answer option C water vapor. Which Indian Ocean current is known for reversing direction seasonally? Option A West Australian current, option B Somali current, option C Agulhas current, option D Mozambique current. Right answer option B Somali current. The term quantum supremacy refers to option A quantum teleportation, option B quantum computing outperforming classical computers, option C nuclear weapon superiority, option D dark matter detection. Right answer option B quantum computing outperforming classical computers. Which alloy is used in aircraft due to very high strength to weight ratio? Option A duralumin, option B stainless steel, option C nichrome, option D bronze. Right answer option A duralumin. The first law of geography was given by option A Waldo Tobler, option B David Harvey, option C Vidal de la Blas, option D Paul Vidal. Right answer option A Waldo Tobler. Which event led to the creation of the Constituent Assembly demand? Option A Cripps Mission, option B August Offer, option C Cabinet Mission, option D Pune Pact. Right answer option B August Offer. Stagflation means option A high inflation plus high unemployment plus low growth. Option B high inflation plus high growth. Option C low inflation plus high growth. Option D low inflation plus low growth. Right answer option A high inflation plus high unemployment plus low growth. Which biosphere reserve in India contains the floating national park? Option A Nanda Devi, option B Manas, option C Keibul Lamjau, option D Nokrek. Right answer option C Keibul Lamjau. Which is the only planet that rotates clockwise? Option A Venus, option B Mars, option C Neptune, option D Earth. Right answer option A Venus. In which ancient text is the earliest reference to zero found? Option A Aryabhatta, option B Bakshali manuscript, option C Lilavati, option D Vedanga Jyotisha. Right answer option B Bakshali manuscript. India's first green hydrogen mission primarily focused on option A hydrogen from biomass, option B hydrogen from fossil fuel reforming, option C hydrogen from electrolysis using renewables, option D hydrogen from nuclear reactors. Right answer option C hydrogen from electrolysis using renewables. Constitutional morality was first highlighted in which case? Option A Golaknath case, option B Kesavananda Bharati case, option C Navtej Singh Johar case, option D Sabarimal case. Right answer option C Navtej Singh Johar case. Which soil has the highest phosphorus fixation capacity? Option A black soil, option B red soil, option C laterite soil, option D alluvial soil. Right answer option C laterite soil. Which mountain range is the youngest in India? Option A Aravalli, option B Eastern Ghats, option C Shivalik, option D Western Ghats. Right answer option C Shivalik. The Beaufort scale is used to measure option A humidity, option B wind speed, option C rainfall intensity, option D cloud height. Right answer option B wind speed. Mitochondrial Ave concept is associated with option A genetic inheritance, option B fossil evolution, option C human migration, option D human AP divergence. Right answer option A genetic inheritance. Which country has unicameral parliament? Option A India, option B France, option C China, option D Sri Lanka. Right answer option C China. Age cities are mostly associated with option A urban decay, option B remote villages, option C modern suburban commercial hubs, option D slum expansion. Right answer option C modern suburban commercial hubs. In which year was the planning commission dissolved? Option A 2014, option B 2015, option C 2016, option D 2017. Right answer option B 2015. Which is the only desert in India receiving heavy rainfall? Option A Marustali, option B Thar Desert, option C Ladakh Desert, option D Cold Desert of Spiti. Right answer option C Ladakh Desert. Sampan portal is related to option A pension management, option B agricultural subsidy, option C MSME support, option D urban housing. Right answer option A pension management. Which Indian river is known for forming bird food delta? Option A Krishna, option B Kavari, option B Kaveri, option C Ganga, option D Mahanadi. Right answer option C Ganga. Which type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Option A elliptical, option B irregular, option C lenticular, option D barred spiral. Right answer option D barred spiral. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get all notification of our channel. Thank you.